Morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Sorry for the Schoology snafu earlier. I think our meme is pretty fitting for today. You look stressed. Thanks. It's the stress, right? Okay, so on this warm-up assignment, we're going to make a connection to the excerpt that we're going to be reading in just a little bit. So using the Create tab, I want you to upload an image. This could be real. It could be something you find. It could be a meme, anything visual that captures your understanding of what it means to escape. Then just kind of briefly tell me why that image is fitting. So here's my picture and my description. So to me, to escape means basically to get away from stressful situations. So in my current house, I actually have an actual porch, and I've never had one before. So I find myself escaping to sit outside on my rocking chair by myself. You can see my dog in this picture, but I try to get a little bit of peace and quiet. So this was me last weekend finishing up the book in class, and it was such a beautiful morning. So that's my little escape. So you're going to complete that today as your warm-up. Then underneath it, I have linked your copy of Road Tripped by Peter Hotman, and you're going to be prompted to make a copy of this. And so at the top of the document, in this little yellow box, I've kind of given you a little bit of context about what the book is about. This is the first chapter, maybe if that, of the book, and I've also linked it to Amazon here in case you want to read a little bit more of it or if you want to listen to it. But once you've read through this, don't worry about these questions. You can preview these questions if you'd like, but we're going to talk through this in a virtual discussion. So as you're reading, think about your first impression of Stiggy. Does he behave the way you might expect? What do you learn about him? How do you describe his character? And all of those that you can see there. So for your virtual discussion, when you open up this assignment, I want you to click on the link to the document. Give it a second. It's loading. So this is essentially what it looks like. So I have 6th period here, 7th period, you'll see the same thing. But I've already pre-assigned groups for you, so you don't have to worry about it this time around. The next time we do this, you'll be able to make your own. But let's say I am Ethan, and I'm in group 3. All of these colored group numbers are actually hyperlinks. And so when you click on the bookmark, it'll take you directly to your group's question. So you're going to respond to the assigned question based on the reading. The link is here for you to access the excerpt again. But so if I'm Ethan, I'm going to click right here next to my name and I'm going to type my response. And so my assigned question for this group would be, how would you describe Stiggy's character? What information from the excerpt supports our detailed description? And then you'll be able to see kind of what the rest of the group members are responding to as well. So our whole class has access to this home groups document, but in order for you to jump down to wherever your group is, rather than scrolling, you just click on the group number and it'll take you straight to it. Okay? The last thing I have for you if Schoology decides to load again is an independent reading survey, and this is what it looks like. And I basically just need the genre of whatever it is that you're reading, and if it's something else, you can always type it in there. And then let me know the title and author of your chosen book. If you're letting me choose readings for you, then you can also tell me that as well. All right, that's all we're doing for today. Hopefully Schoology will load for you later today, and we'll see you guys on Zoom. Have a good Tuesday.